Well, hi friends, Suzanne here. Welcome to another Fabricate Friday video on my YouTube channel and blog. This is the box that I am sharing with you today. It is not a fold flat box. It is featuring the I think it's called Wildflower Specialty Designer Series paper, and it's super cute. So if you would be interested in learning how to put this really cute box together, come along with me and we'll do it together. All right, this is peach pie. It is 10.5 long and 8.5 short. So I'm going to place my paper at the 2.5 inch blade mark. I'm going to pull out my arm because I'm going to need it, and I'm going to score at 2.5, at 5, seven and a half, and 10. All right. Okay, so I'm going to flip it around, and then I'm going to score at 1/2 inch, 3, and 6 3/4. We're going to fold and burnish all of the score lines. Okay, so this is the lid, and these two are the flaps. So I'm just gonna fold them kind of together, and then I am going to cut maybe exactly in half. I'll try my hardest, just so that they're the same length. Okay, kids, that's what you should have, except for we need to miter the corners here. There we go. So that's what you should have. I have 4 pieces of designer series paper here. This is called the Wildflower Birthday 12 by 12 Specialty Designer Series paper. It's specialty because it has this beautiful gold foil on it. Oh my gosh, so pretty. I could have made the box with that, but I wanted to use these little cute flowers. So These are, you need 4 pieces, 2 1/4 wide and 3 1/2 tall. I already pre-stuck them so that I could go a little quicker instead of you seeing me put all the adhesive on my paper, because we all know how to do that. This is the lid. It is 2 1/4 by 2 1/4. All right, here is my adhesive, and what I'm going to do is put a nice strong line as close as to the edge as I can, the scored edge. I'm going to fold that piece in half. I'm going to cover it with this one, and we should have the makings of a box. Now, to square everything up, I like to put the lid in. Oh my God, that is such a cute little box. This is not a fold flat box. So basically we have to figure out which way things go. So if this is the front, basically I want the back to go in, and then, oh, sorry, I want my sides to go in first, the back, and then the front. So I will put, these don't have to have adhesive, but I will put a square of adhesive on the back and a square of adhesive on the front. So what I mean by square is just lines here of adhesive to square that up. And I can already see that I'm going to have to do a little trimming because I didn't cut well enough, and that's okay. All right, so now I'm going to take my scissors. They're a little gluey right now. I will clean them in a bit. All right, and just trim off the excess. So how I'm going to decorate this little box is by using the stickers that came with the, it's the scrapbook version. All right, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use this sticker sheet, and I thought I would use this flower here to put on my card, or to put on my project. Yes, just like that. Okay, so this is the linked together stamp set. I'm going to use the word enjoy. And I may be a little boring here, but I think I will just stamp it in black. Beautiful. Beautiful font. And I am going to fussy cut, you guys, so I will edit. All right. Ooh, I'm going to put, oh my gosh, that looks so good. Look. Okay, kids, here I have some peach pie ribbon. I am just going to tie a bow. Make it small. Trim off the excess. I have a glue dot. I'm going to take that glue dot, put it on the back. Take your pick tool so that I can adhere everything easily. So my goodness, that is so cute. And that is my share for today. So you guys, thank you so much for watching, subscribing, commenting, all the YouTube-y things. I do appreciate you so much. Thank you so much for watching, and bye for now.